Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Howdy! The best internet resources about how to make a handy knit microwave heating pad. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to make a handy knit microwave heating pad is asonomagarden.wordpress.com. Specifically the page titled How to Make Homemade Deodorant. I love it. Sonoma. Here's the link. You can also try realestate.aol.com, especially the page How to, aol.com. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site tipnut.com. The web page How to Make a Microwave Heating Bag, tipnut.com. This is the link.